Has Election Commission of India decided Bengal poll schedule on Modi Shah's advice? Asks Mamta Banerjee. Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee has questioned the Election Commission's decision to conduct the West Bengal Assembly election in 8 phases. She also questioned on the election schedule in districts in 2 or 3 parts. She has alleged that the Election Commission of India is doing on the requisition of the ruling BJP. The West Bengal Chief Minister and Trinamool Congress chief asked the Election Commission that if Assam polls can be conducted in 3 phases and Tamil Nadu in 1, then why Bengal polls were being bifurcated into 8 phases. She also alleged that the decision was taken to suit the convenience of the BJP. Has this been done with the advice of Modi and Amit Shah? Has this been done to facilitate their campaign so that they can finish Assam and Tamil Nadu before coming to Bengal? This won't help BJP. We will demolish them, Mamta Banerjee said at a press conference in Kolkata. Mamta Banerjee also objected to the Election Commission's decision to hold polls in the same district in different phases. They have divided districts in Part 1, Part 2. Since we are powerful in South 24 Parganas, it is being done in 3 phases. They are teaching us BA Part 1, Part 2, Mamta Banerjee said. The TMC chief alleged that the BJP will try to divide the people on religion. They are dividing people on lines of Hindu Muslim. They are dividing people in Bengal and non Bengal. No problem. The game is on. The game will play in 8 phases. We will play and win. They are dividing the entire country, but let me tell you, I know Bengal very well, she said. She also said, we know people of West Bengal, the people of the state will answer this insult. Referring to BJP, though without mentioning the name, she said, I don't care though. You will be routed despite all the conspiracies being hatched. This is an insult to the people of Bengal, and they would give a fitting response. She said that the Election Commission of India should not see things through the eyes of the BJP. I have seen this list in the BJP's party office, and today I see the same list outside, Banerjee alleged. She further described herself as Bengal's own daughter and vowed to resist efforts by outside forces to rule Bengal. I am really sorry and shocked. We know all the drama Vivek Dubey created in 2019 Lok Sabha election when he was deputed as the observer here. The same man is being deputed again, the chief minister said. In 2019, the Election Commission of India had appointed senior IPS officer Vivek Dubey as the special officer observer for West Bengal. The BJP has the power of agencies, central. The BJP has the power of the government of India, but the central government cannot misuse its power for a state election. If you do this, you will make a blunder and face the music, she said.